Hey, so I'm working on my Holy Spirit Activate shirt. And I just wanted to show you how I have a mat here. This is not a Cricut mat. This one came from Amazon, something my husband bought, but it's comparable to Cricut. I have my Cricut heat press heating up over here. It's supposed to get to, I think, 305. And back to my shirt. I have this maroon shirt. Got this a while ago. I actually picked it up from the Dollar Tree. I was just grabbing some extra t-shirts. It's always fun to have extra t-shirts around. So check your local Dollar Tree. This is not something I would sell, but it is something that, just for me to have, play around with, experiment with, things like that. I think, oh no, this is a Jersey's brand. I think they had some Gildan brands too when I went. So check, see what they have. But I'm about to get started. Okay, so everything is heating up, but usually when you're doing a t-shirt, you want to go down about 3 inches from the neckline. A tip that a lot of people use is their 3 fingers to know to go down from that point to have a place to start. It probably depends on what the size of your fingers are. Again, I'm not really pressed about all the lining up and dimensions today. This is something for me. The last time I did t-shirts for somebody, I measured out everything because I was just so concerned about doing my very best to try to get it right. But it's for me. So, and I know a lot of crafters think that way and talk that way, and we probably shouldn't. We give other people better than we give ourselves, or at least we try to. But here we go. So I have 3:15 on here. I'm going to set my timer simply because I know I have to do it for 5 seconds. Just to get the moisture out. And that's a nice press. And then I'll be back. Okay, so I got so excited. I forgot to cut my vinyl out. So make sure you mirror your vinyl. And make sure you set it to iron on. I set it to iron on, but I don't have it set to a high enough setting that I typically like. But that was me getting all excited and carried away and not doing what I needed to do. So I know some people like to see people weed. So if you want to see some weeding, here you go. I do use my Dollar Tree dental tool as my weeding tool. I have never purchased a Cricut tool, so I cannot compare. But I like using this, and probably won't change unless I need to. You see it gets in there and it pulls those things out. I'm just trying to be careful because sometimes you can get a little heavy-handed and miss your letters and accidentally rip your letters. And so I just want to be mindful because I am really excited. I don't know why I'm so excited about this shirt, but sometimes when we get happy and excited about stuff, we won't take care of our business the way we need to. So I'm going to finish weeding and I'll be back. So here is my design. This is the design I made, and I made it in Canva. And I think I told you guys before, I like working with Canva because, hold on. I like working with Canva because I can do whatever kind of font design or whatever I want. And yeah, I just upload it to Cricut and make it work. Now I am doing my 3:15 for 30 seconds, and I'm going to flip it over, and I think it's 15 more seconds that I have to do. Okay. Now I flippity flip. Now, I love using my mini, but what I like about using the big one is that it leaves press lines. So that may sound silly to some people, but the press lines, when I flip it over, gives me a guide to know where the heck my design is on the front of my shirt. That's my 15 seconds. And this is Cricut vinyl. And so it likes to cool down before I peel it. So you have to know when you have your vinyls whether it's a hot cool or hot peel or cool peel, or warm peel. Some of them are all different, but to me it says cool to the touch. Everybody's cool to the touch is not the same. Some people touch hot stuff. I don't like touching hot stuff. So, but one of the things I like to say about vinyl, when you are doing your heat transfer vinyl, it lifts. It has a tendency to lift when it's done, and I don't want to mess with it too much, but it has a tendency to lift when it's done. So I try to look for that when I'm working with my vinyl. So, yes, I'm being silly right now, but while you're letting it cool, you can take a moment and sing your song, Holy Spirit, activate. So I know somebody's going to think I'm being blasphemous. Honey, I'm inviting the Holy Spirit in my life to do good things wherever it can. But I'm just in love with this shirt. I really thought about doing Holy Spirit activate with a 3 on the side, kind of like scientific method. So that's another fun idea. I've seen all kinds of designs on Etsy and things like that. I don't think I've seen anything like this, so I don't want anybody to think I'm taking somebody's design. This is not something I'm selling. This is something for me, and I'm just enjoying making it. And I have a feeling my sister's going to call me and want one too. So there you go. So I'm peeling it back, guys. And I always get nervous when I'm peeling. I'm like, should it sit longer? Oh, I'm so excited. Boom. There it is. Holy Spirit activate. Oh. So there you have it, guys. I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know something I don't know, feel free to share it with me. I certainly don't know everything. I'm just trying to help the next people that come along. Enjoy myself and have a good time. So everybody have a good day.